What's up, guys? I'm replacing my thermostat housing. Plastic. Got me this new doorman. Ordered it from Amazon. Strong aluminum. Definitely good quality. I ordered the set that comes with the thermostat. See, I put in the rubber seal. You just sleeve it over the edge, all around the edge. When you put it in, make sure that this pin here is facing up. See, the hole is down there. Let me remove the old one. This thing been here about maybe about 13 years. So this plastic housing did last a long time. Now let's put in the new one and make sure that this is clean here. Looks a little rusty on the edge. You can use some emery cloth and clean it. Let's put in the new thermostat. So yeah, I had to loosen up the starter too. Okay. 2 bolts. 14 millimeter. These are the nuts for the thermostat housing, where the thermostat goes. This is a 10 millimeter. Just put in the new housing. Got to feed it from this side in. Got to push these lines away, out the way. Makes it a little uncomfortable. You see, I guess bringing it, making it make it face forward. Let's see here. This is a little uncomfortable, man. think if I might remove this here, so that way, see, because this is on the way, these wires here, yeah, just this one here, that's someone that I feel like it's putting more of a strain on it. Let me see if I can pull it. Yeah, between this hose up here and this cable, that's what makes his job a little harder. So yeah, I also disconnected the battery just in case, so that the starter positive back there doesn't hit anything. Right here, it's got the rubber, but got to be on the safe side. All right, finally got it in place. Yeah, you just definitely just got to be moving things around as you're putting this in place, you know, and making sure that the thermostat stays aligned with that breather, that pin facing towards the top. Okay, I'm going to secure this bolt right here. I'm going to put that bolt in place right here, so that way this doesn't move on me. As for the top bolt, I was able to get it in easy. I just put the nut on the tip of the socket, and I just kind of slanted it up a bit like that, and just went straight in. Let me see how the side's gonna be. For the middle nut, the one on the side there to the right, I just put a little bit of electrical tape. See that? I didn't want to take a chance, you know. I know there's other methods, like putting whatever grease, whatever it is on the inside, anti-seize, but I think this is a little bit less messier, so I'll just go with this. You just put it slightly on the edge. And it worked. Now for the bottom one, I'm gonna do the same method, but I'm gonna get a fresh piece of tape. So I definitely don't want to take a chance, so I'm dropping it. There we go. This is for the bottom. I put two pieces of tape, so I might struggle a little bit under there, so you know, just in case, gotta be extra safe. Alright guys, so a little cool trick that I just figured out. What I did was I used this finger here, the middle finger. I squeeze it in here, see that? And I felt the groove on the thread. And what I did was, with my right hand, I use my finger basically to guide the socket, you know, with the nut. Okay, because in the beginning, if you don't do that, you're gonna kind of struggle a little bit to try to actually find where it's at. So you stick the hand in there, and with your finger, you feel the thread on the stud, and then you just that way you could use your whichever way you can. You use the other finger. It's just easier to guide when you're putting in the socket. That's yeah, because if you just start trying to insert it like that, you're gonna miss a lot of times. You're gonna have a hard time. So try that. All right, and the nut is in, and the tape came out with it. You know, the tape came out, so it didn't stay in there pinched with the nut or anything like that. So now we just got to tighten them up. So don't go too extremely tight, guys. Once you see that it's nicely snug, you already know that's good enough. It should only take one hand to snug it up. Let's tighten this one up. This is a 12. That's good enough. That's it. Just put this hose back. Tighten up the clamp. You know what? I think I'm gonna clean my throttle now that I'm here.